Ansel's Adventures here. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you're a long-time follower, welcome back. Alright, today's project, we're going to make a knife. Round 2. This one's just going to be a small knife for a family member, and yeah, let me show you what we got going on. Stay tuned. Alright guys, this is what we're after. A version of this, just a small paring knife, something to use in the kitchen, just handy. So we're going to take this and make a version of this. I think this is going to be my handle material. I kind of dig it. I like the wood grain in it. So that's the plan. First we're going to bust this in half, because this is way more material than what we need, and it is way thicker than what we need. So we're going to stretch it and thin it out a little bit, get it to profile, and get things hot. Alright, stay tuned. we're back. Now it's time to get a handle on this thing. Let me show you where we're at so far. Alright, here's the rough profile before we do any sanding or any cleaning up or shaping. Looks pretty rough, but it's about to get pretty. Still nice and straight, but now it's time for the magic. But first, a Sprite break. You know the old saying, if things can go wrong, they will? Well, it did. Look at this. So that's what's left of my handle. So now on my third handle, I was kind of worried about this using a laminate. The section's actually broke apart, which is a bummer because it was pretty. So, number 3. We'll see how this goes. Alright guys, we're all finished. Let me show you what we got. So here's the finished product. I think it came out really, really well. Other than having to make the handle 3 times. But it is what it is. But it is sharp. And it is pretty. Came out really well. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm glad you stuck with me, you know, to the end. I know it's a long video watching somebody work like this, but you know, if you like this, chances are you're going to like what I've posted in the past and what's coming in the future. So hit that subscribe button. That way you get notified every time I post a video. Please click like, comment below, and share. See you on the next one. Thanks guys.